Hi, I'm Ted Zizian. I'm here to talk to you about the planning and scheduling module. Best place to start, I guess, is with the topics that are in the module. First of which is scope and deliverables. That sets the scene for the audience as to where we're going and what we're covering as far as material. Then we move into tools. Three major tools that we use. Engineering workflows, which provide a logical representation of the engineering flow and activities, and establishes a general baseline for use to develop the schedule. The next tool is P6 or Primavera. It's an industry standard CPM tool. It's certainly recognized worldwide. AMEC has adopted it as its tool and uses it worldwide. The last tool is Convero, which is an in-house developed project management package. Because it's in-house developed, it's built around our processes and procedures rather than trying to fit to them. It almost defines our procedures and almost forces us to work to those procedures. It's fully integrated in the sense that it's not a bunch of different packages that are bolted together with an interface routine or an interface package. Because it's fully integrated, one package, single point entry with the exchange of data very easily between the modules so that one module can pull information from another module. Next major topic of the presentation is levels of schedule. We talk about the three levels, level 1, 2, and 3. We touch a bit on level 4 and the use of milestones. We explain that it's a top-down approach to building the schedule and a bottom-up approach to doing progress monitoring and updating the schedule, whether that be weekly or half-monthly or monthly. Next major topic, we talk about stages of planning and scheduling. That's probably the meat of the entire presentation. We start with initial planning, the collection of information, forming the basis for the plan, moving through to baseline development, capturing that baseline as a benchmark for the project, then move into the regular periodic updating, weekly and monthly. Then the last topic is Primavera to Convero alignment. Important topic. Generally speaking, the level of alignment that we seek is at the EWP, or Engineering Work Package level, or the CWP, Construction Work Package level. So the idea is to set up the two tools. They're both databases by nature, so we try to set up the two tools so that the EWP and CWP level are aligned, and that allows simple exchange of data from P6 to Convero or from Convero to P6. The main part of the presentation tends to deal with content, and almost the approach is a teaching type exercise and giving them the background material and an understanding of how we do planning and scheduling. But as an audience, the engineering leads will tend to say to themselves, okay, where do I fit in? What do you want from me? How should I contribute? What aspects should be important to me? So there's a common theme through the presentation of using red text or a red star or asterisk to highlight where they best fit into the program, to emphasize that. So in the initial planning part, we look for their expertise. They've got 10 to 20 to 30 years experience in the industry. We want them to bring that to the table, offer it up. We're not experts, they're experts. And then to seek overall buy-in of that initial planning exercise. Then we move into schedule development. We want them to help build the program, be part of it, participate, and then ensure once it's built that we've built a program that aligns with their execution strategy and the things that they want to build and the way they want to execute. Then once the schedule is built, we move into risk analysis, where we look at risks and opportunities. We want them to offer their opinions. We want them to speak up. This is where they get to qualify what they've built by identifying where the risks could be, where the schedule could change. Now that they've helped build it, they've participated, they've qualified it, they should now be prepared to commit to that program. And we've now captured the baseline. As we move into schedule management or schedule updating, regular period updating, we're looking to them to own their performance. They're the ones that did the work, didn't do the work, slipped for whatever reason, advanced for whatever reason. We would look to them to support why that happened, and if there's a rippling impact on other aspects of the project, help us to identify mitigation measures that can bring back that slippage. Whether it was an engineering delay that impacted construction, we look to construction and engineering to help. If it's a construction delay, we would still look for engineering to offer some help. It's a team effort. We've all got to build it together. They need to participate. For closing points, one of the key aspects, I've said it a few times, is participate, participate, participate. They need to be part of the overall program. That's the best way for them to truly feel that they've got ownership. They helped build it. Then we want them to take specific ownership, certainly for their parts, whether they're a lead for one section, whether they're an overall engineering lead. Take the ownership of your portions of the schedule. Support the overall team. It's our schedule. It's not yours, and it's not mine. It's an overall team effort. We have to act as though we're a team.